The American Enlightenment took place between 1750 and 1800. It is also known as like rationalism or classicism and the age of reason. I prefer the American Enlightenment because that's what it's most commonly called. It is best known for its political and philosophical writings. So, a lot of political writing happening during this time. These political writings contributed to the American Revolution. Authors of this time period include Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, Thomas Paine, Patrick Henry, and Phillis Wheatley, of which I hope you are remembering some of these names from your U.S. history class. This is that time where we're really like, you know what? We don't need to be part of England. We are functioning on our own, so we do not need England to be our own country. Hence the American Revolution, and hence why you'll notice names like Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson, which are considered founding fathers of our United States of America. The first person we're going to take notes on today is Thomas Paine, the man, the myth, and the legend. This is what Thomas Paine looked like. Handsome fellow. I'm going to read most of this to you, but you only have to take notes in your journal on the highlighted yellow information. Thomas Paine was born in England, where he was an only child, and they were really poor. When Paine was looking for a new start in life, he met Benjamin Franklin, who gave him reasons why he should emigrate to America. It's at this point in his life where it took an interesting turn, and we're going to talk about why that is. All right, because his dad was a Quaker and his mother was Anglican, Thomas's parents constantly would argue about religion in his life. Growing up, they fought about what religion they wanted him to follow and which religion was right, and he was very confused. He was unsuccessful as an apprentice to his father. He tried to be a privateer, a corset shop owner, and a customs officer before he moved to America. So he was actually not really very good at anything. He just struggled a lot in life. In 1774, he sailed to America, and he landed a job as an editor of a Pennsylvania magazine. This job was like his saving grace because it's where he found out that he was actually a really good writer. He did sign up for the Army during the American Revolution. Unfortunately, he was not a very good soldier. Surprise, surprise, since he wasn't really good at a whole lot. But he did start writing, which inspired colonists to revolt against the British, and he became a writer to help with the war efforts rather than a member of the army. So he was a terrible soldier, but he was an excellent writer, and his writings were used to help push people to fight harder in the war. You don't have to write these down. He has some famous quotes. These are the times that try men's souls. Any system of a religion that has anything in it that shocks the mind of a child cannot be true. The harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. And lead, follow, or get out of the way. Thomas Paine wrote a lot. He wrote Common Sense, which is his most memorable piece. Common Sense stressed the need for the separation from England and helped pave the way for the Declaration of Independence. Common Sense stressed the need for separation from England and helped pave the way for the Declaration of Independence.